So what's going on YouTube? AJ Simmons here, and I want to tell you this. I want to give you what products I use for my cleaning business and that I recommend that you might want to consider too.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me.
Alright, I'm doing this video because the B2345 recommended that asked that I did this video, so I'll give you the best that I can. Here we go. So of course I'm driving, you hear the signal light and stuff in the background. I'm always driving, but anyway. So I don't use a lot of chemicals. I don't use a whole lot of products. I really only use 3 basic products. My first product is a product called NutriClean 2. They have a NutriClean, then they have a NutriClean 2. I think this particular product is locally made here at one of the distributor warehouse supply centers that I go to get my supplies. So you might not find this particular product, but there's plenty of variations of the product. I call it a commercial version of Lysol, but basically it's a neutral product. It's a all-purpose disinfectant, and I use it on pretty much every surface, from my desk that I wipe down to doorknobs to any type of surface. Okay, so for all my all-purpose cleaning, even in the restrooms, I use NutriClean 2. But basically, if you want to use any variation, like I said, it's basically a commercial version of Lysol. So any neutral cleaner that is a disinfectant should be fine. Okay, just make sure that you're using the product according to the measurements that they specify on the product. So, because most of the time you're going to buy it in bulk, because a gallon could last you, depending on how many times you clean the account, could last you over a month. Okay, if you're doing a 5-day-a-week account, that 1 gallon could last you over a month. Okay. Another product that I also, if you don't mix that chemical right when it's dilute, when you have to dilute it like that, it made the product ineffective. Okay, whether you put too much or too little water, and then also it can leave a film behind on the products that you're on the surfaces that you're wiping down. Okay, so be very careful with how you dilute your chemicals. Okay, so that's the first product, NutriClean 2, which basically is an all-purpose disinfectant. The second product I use is a wood cleaner called Murphy's Oil. Murphy's Oil is something that I found on another person's YouTube channel. If I knew the name of the channel, I would shout them out. But there was a lady up there when I was back looking to figure out what I could use when I do house cleaning. And I saw a product called Murphy's Oil that is great for wood products in particular. It's a wood cleaner. Okay, but you definitely want to be careful with the Murphy's Oil too, because it's very strong scented and it could give you a headache. Okay, so you might want to dilute this product as well. I don't think they make it for you to dilute it, but I like to dilute it a little bit because it's just so strong. But it leaves a great smell behind, and it's very good for woods, because a lot of these wooden tables and desks, it's hard to wipe them without leaving smears behind them, depending on what type of wood it is. Okay, so Murphy's Oil is a good product for wood. And then the final product that I use is actually not a product at all. It's simply H2O, water. Okay, water can be a great cleaning agent. Okay, and what I use water for is all glass. Okay, whether it's a bathroom mirror or whether it's the doors like the front door, entry doorways when you're walking, I always use water. Now, if I'm doing heavy duty cleans, I'll use water and a touch of Dawn dish detergent. Why does it have to be Dawn dish detergent? I have no clue, but everybody every time I've always done windows, when I was learning, they always said Dawn dish detergent in particular, so I stuck with that, and it works wonderful. But you don't want to overdo it with the dish detergent, just a little drop. Okay, and that'll get you when you're doing outside of the windows, heavy duty. Okay, but if you're just doing glass doors when you're walking in and walking out, or just a mirror or something, nothing but water is all you need. You take a wet rag, that wet water rag, and just wipe down that mirror real good, and then you come right behind it with a dry rag and wipe the surface down with a dry rag completely until it's dry, and you will notice a crystal clear glass. Okay, so those are the 3 products that I use, just to give you a little bit more insight on stuff as far as products and what you could use. I like to equip all my accounts with these basic things when they get into the account. I like to give them a vacuum cleaner, an extended duster like a Swiffer, extended duster for high dusting. I like to provide them with at least about 15 to 20 rags, microfiber rags. I like to provide them with my neutral cleaner, maybe the Murphy's oil, but not all the time, and then a bottle of water, okay, and then a mop bucket and mop. And that, I think that's everything that I usually supply every account that I have with, okay, so that way my employees can go in there and clean and won't have to take anything with them. If I can't afford to buy a new vacuum cleaner as soon as I get the account, then what I'll do is just have them take a vacuum cleaner in their car, but everything else will be there on site, okay? So hopefully this video was able to help. If you got any more requests, let me know. I'll do that. And thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. This is AJ Simmons. Add me on Snapchat, AJRichAlready16. Follow me on social media at AJ Simmons Online. And don't forget to check out www.ajsimmonsonline.com for other resources and tools for starting your cleaning business and any other type of business venture that you're on. Alright, so thank y'all.